Hey guys, it's your girl Jay, and I'm back with another video. I know it's been so long since I made a video, but I did wanna I'm on a food truck today, and I did wanna show you guys something that I do on a regular basis when it comes to cleaning out my fryers and the burners, and how I get all that black stuff off of my walls. Okay, because I know on one of the Facebook groups, food truck Facebook groups, we have a lot of people asking like, how do I get this stuff off my walls? Like my walls are black or what have you. How do I get it off? How do I clean my burners? It's like a number one question when it comes to fryers on the food truck. So I did want to show you guys that I do have to clean it myself. So I did want to show you guys how I do that and the products that I use. I only use one, like chemical product, and then soap and water. That's it. Okay. It is very hot in Florida. Like it ain't even preheating no more. We on 450 degrees Fahrenheit down here. It is so hot. So if you see me sweating, please excuse the sweat, okay? But I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about. I did want to show you guys this, right? So I've been using my fryer for a little while, and sometimes when it's soup, like in this little stuff down here below your fryer, I mean above your fryers, it'll come up here. So when the burners are on, right, and you have that black soup like inside there, inside these little things right here, when the heat is on, it'll come up, and it'll come up on your wall. So that's how you get in like that black stuff. See how it's like on my hand? That's how you're getting that black stuff on your wall. But I'm gonna show you guys how I clean it. This is one of the products that I use, heavy duty grease release. All right, I get this from what is that store called? Gordon. I get this from Gordon. I haven't seen it in like Restaurant Depot or anything like that. I've only seen this in Gordon. I saw a YouTube video of this guy cleaning his hood system, and this is what he used, and this works like magic, y'all. Like this product right here, 10 out of 10. Okay, 10 out of 10 when you want to clean your hood system yourself. If you want to clean anything stainless steel and you want to get something like heavy and that's just stuck on there, please use this. Don't use this on your diamond floors though. Don't. I've tried this on the trying to clean the diamond plate floors, and it'll stain it. Okay, but on like your hood system, on the fryers and different things like that, trying to clean out like stuck on grease, this works. I put it in a spray bottle and I dilute it. You have to dilute it because it is strong. And when you use this, make sure you wear gloves. It is that strong, okay? I've had this for a while, as you can see, and it's still a lot. I don't know if you can see. It's still a lot in here, okay? It's not that very expensive, but this is what I use. All right, so I'm just gonna show y'all a small example, okay? So I put some in a spray bottle here, and I did half of the solution and half water, okay? So you're just gonna spray it on just like that. And I just got this just for, look at that. Look at that. But look how easy it works though. Look how that just came off. Y'all, I'm telling you, this thing is like so good. But look how they just came off with a napkin. Okay, I'm gonna use a napkin again. Look. Look how easy that stuff just coming off. Look. See, using a rag, it comes off even easier. You even get this stuff right here. You get like a little, what we call these Brillo pads. So get all that stuff off. Have your stuff looking brand new. Brand new. There's no way your equipment should be looking black and dirty and all of that. But it's stuff out there that you can keep it clean. Look, y'all. And I still have to go over it with like soap and water and stuff. But look how clean it looks compared to before. Like all that black stuff is just gone. Straight gone. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a clean one with just plain water on it, and I'm just gonna wipe it just so all that other stuff is off of it. Just to make sure that it's white with clean water. But this made a huge difference, y'all. Like a huge difference. Even back here, it made a huge difference. And I didn't even get like this little part right here. I didn't get that part. But it was stuff like all right here. And I was able to get it up. So if I know if I spray more, I'll be able to get the rest of the stuff up. So yeah, when I tell you this works compared to how it looked before, it was like black. Like you can see the black. You see I'm sweating. I'm like, oh my God. But it makes a difference when people do come up to your truck and they be like, oh, your truck is so clean, it's so nice. Yes, your truck has the possibility of being clean and nice looking, like just professional looking, because they see all that black stuff on the wall and stuff. Just it makes people be like, well dog, what else dirty on the truck? You know, they got the walls dirty, they ain't cleaning that. What else is dirty on the truck? If you can clean your wall, like all you gotta do is spray, wipe. You can see I use paper towels. You don't even need a rag. If you want a rag does it quicker, but if you just have paper towel and water, hey, you can do it. And I even clean my hood, like when cause the hood, the vents, that gets black too. Okay, like this black stuff goes everywhere when you frying like constantly, daily. That stuff can get black as well. Let me show you. Like this, like these vents here, you see how it's like darker in this area right here, because this is where the fryers are. All this stuff goes up here. You see how it could be cleaner over there, cleaner on that hood, but these two where the fryers, these two where the fryers are, it can get black. Take this off like this. Just lift them up, take them off, okay? And you can clean those. And I clean those with the same solution, and then soap and water, and I wash it with soap and water, let it air dry, then boom, it's clean. Anyways, yeah, I do that for my hood system. If I want to clean it like once a month, you know, depending on just how dirty it is, how much you cook and stuff like that, all that stuff depends. So one person can say, oh, I cook I clean my hood and my vents and stuff every 2 months or every 3 months. You may not cook every day or every week or something like that, depending on somebody who just do event, or you open up your truck every week, twice a week, 3 times a week. You know, the cleaning schedule is going to be different for everybody. But I just wanted to show you guys how I get that black stuff, that black soot, what people call it, the soot, off of my walls, because it can make your truck look dirty, and you just don't want that when people come up to your truck and they be like, oh, her walls dirty, she ain't cleaning it up in there. No, I do clean. Okay, so you just want to make sure that you keep that stuff clean. Like I said, I get that solution from Gordon food service store, and it lasts for a long time, so you're not gonna need, you know, much of it. Oh my God, Jesus Christ. But yeah, I'm about to clean out my burners now, because I just want to make sure that stuff is cleaned out. I don't like anything to be clogged. I don't want any fire hazards or anything like that going on in my truck. Okay, so I'm about to clean that. I'm about to turn my generator on and cut on this AC and clean out this stuff, and I'm about to go. Okay, but I couldn't cut on the generator now to do this video because I wanted you guys to hear me, and I know you cannot hear with that generator being on. So this is it for today. This is it for now. If you want to see more videos like this, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and let me know in the comments some other things y'all want to know about, you know, for a food truck, anything, because sometimes I be running out of stuff to even show y'all or to mention or to give advice and tips and stuff like that. So just let me know in the comments what y'all want me to talk about, and I'll drop the video. And I know I've been like slacking on my videos. I've been so busy, y'all. I apologize, but yeah. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.